right. Has Grayson already started? Oh, well, thanks for telling me.
Well, you were busy.
Wow, I was doing legal paperwork.
Okay. And I'm running the games here.
So
Grayson?
Yeah. All right, Grayson.
How old is Grayson? He's 10.
Grayson is 10 years old, so he has permission from his parents to do this, if anyone is recording this legally.
Which would be his dad.
So, Grayson is doing a good job getting those nuts off. I know that this is usually an older person's game, getting nuts off, but they're starting them young here in Iowa on getting the nuts off. Is it nationwide now? Okay, all right, cool.
I think it is, yeah.
All right, that's it. Yes, spinning it that way is usually the fastest way.
There you go.
You're doing good, buddy.
There you go. Go, go, go.
Don't forget the Swedish method, Grayson. Yep.
He's like, shut up. All right. And sometimes using the two-hand Warren method is faster when, yep, exactly. Using two hands to take out the nuts at the same time. That is the Warren method. And Warren, I guess back in 1978, kind of adopted that. And all right, here he goes. Here he goes. He's going around the car here. Keep it going, Grayson.
You got it, bud.
You're doing great, buddy. All right. Now the challenge of lining it up.
I don't think so.
All right, he is stepping on his nuts. That usually happens with people over 60. Two people got that.
I think there's more than that.
So he's doing it. So yeah, you'll get
Oh,
it.
you can get it. Just turn it. Line it up,
So
buddy.
what I do is I sit down.
Go to your right. To your right, buddy.
There you go.
That's it. There you go.
That's where.
You're doing good, buddy.
That's right, John. Don't kick your nuts.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
To be fair, he's never changed a tire before, so I'm
Learning in the fire.
yeah, exactly.
Is that like the tire changing equivalent? Throwing them in the
There it is.
Basically, yeah.
Let's do it under the tire.
Get those nuts on there, boy.
He's doing great.
Under the tire.
That is good stuff right there. This is our youngest competitor by far, and it should be noted that this guy is going
Under the tire, buddy.
he's
Under
going
the
to
tire.
Under the tire, buddy. There you go.
There it is.
He is going to beat one of my times, for sure.
His first ever tire change to be mentioned.
This is his first
And
time.
this is his first ever tire change in front of all these people, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
There you go. That's it. That's it. Yep. Just spin it like that. Yep. Perfect. All right. He's getting tight. That's good.
There you go.
That's good. He's doing good.
There you got it.
There it is.
That's it. That's the Swedish method that is so popular, and that's why even 10-year-olds use that method.
There you go. Good job.
Come on, bud. Two more.
Yeah, you got that spin.
Very nice.
We're having a handshake there.
That's right off. Click off the mic right there.
It's got the arm ugga-duggas.
Yeah, that's 3 ugly numbers on the normal meter.
All right, he's winding up here.
One more.
One more, buddy.
Here we go.
Waiting for that.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh,
When Grayson gets this one and steps on that, let's hear it for Grayson. Give him a hand.